Welcome to Ronin's Corner, and today we're going to make some applesauce. Here's all the things you'll need. And what are you supposed to do with all these apples? How about them apples? Applesauce, baby. Plus, no long story prior to getting into it. You need a way to cut the apples like this core or a knife, cinnamon, a way to break down the apples like a masher or immersion blender, lemon juice, honey, and a large pot with a lid. We roughly followed Cookie and Kate's recipe, which is in the description. The core is great as it makes equal sizes and takes out the tough core and seeds. If you don't have one, a blade will do. With the knife, cut it in half. Cut those halves into halves again, which is a quarter. After the quarters, you can cut the core away with the knife using an angle at roughly 30 degrees. You can peel away the skin with a paring knife like this, but we chose not because the skin is where the flavor is. With all the apples in the pot, we added 2 tablespoons of honey, using a spoon to get it all in the pan. Next, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And finally, before going on the stove, a 1/3 cup of water. Put it on the stove and simmer over a medium heat, occasionally stirring. Here's the first stir. Still looks pretty much the same. Second stir, starting to break down. Lastly, the apples are now all mushy. This took about 20 minutes. We broke ours down with an immersion blender. We can use a potato masher, a food processor, or a mixer, and it'll start looking like the store-bought ones. Then we added the 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and mixed it all in. Let it cool and it's good to eat. Good to go. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what other things you'd like to see.